Hey, white tea. Hey guys. So today, Joshua, say hi. Not, I mean like talk. Because I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. So his screen crap I just on my PS3. So his Screencast-O-Matic isn't working. So we'll have to my PS3 isn't offering. Yeah, I hear you. Okay, let's start the race in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, they can hear you. Okay, I'll wait for you. Yeah. No, make them 0. Make them 0. Should I stay here? I'll stay here until I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the hell? Oh. Oh god, I'm gonna lose. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna. Oops. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna lose for sure. That's just a fact. Oh, you died? Yo, they can't hear you because you're using the Roblox thing. Yeah, link my video in the yeah. So link my video in your description. And then so you can. Okay. Here, yep. Oh, I'm just not gonna. Yeah, they heard you for sure. Crap. A god? Yeah, so you could catch up easily. Especially on these pizza type things. No! Exactly! Especially on these pizza things. They're hard. No! No! Ah. I know, right? So am I. I know, right? We might have to cut the. Ooh! I think I'm gonna cut the video here. No, not like end it. No, no! I was right there. Come on. Oh. Rip. Yeah, I was right there at the end. Rip. I thought this was gonna be an easy obby. No! I just get karma. Honestly, karma. Oh, fridge. I've definitely got the names Video Raging Kid. I've definitely got to. No! Oh. No, you're so... I'm so mad. Yo, who... No! Come on. Yo, who's Abby Nesh? Is he your friend or something? Oh, come on. Keep on dying. Keep on dying. Yes! 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 Oh my god! What hacks is he using? I wish we could use our B tools. No, we can't. That's cheating. No, that's cheating. Oh god. Yo, you actually got close to me. Damn. He's like, skills! Yelling skills as soon as he said that, he dies. No. Yo, he's saying he's yelling skills. As he said that, he just... I know. Din. And... No! God damn it! I got my anime music right here. I got my anime music right here. Yes. Yo, how is Abby doing this? Yeah, you told me. No, actually it was Fierce that told me. Like, was it like a was it a joke, or did she like... Abby Trash? That's the best teacher ever. I wish I had that teacher. Yo, I wish I had that teacher saying Abby Trash. My teacher's not like that, but she's actually pretty nice. Hello, Abby. Trash. Yo, look what I just run, chat. Yo, look what I just run, chat. Yo, look what I just wrote in chat. Hello, Abby Trash. Oh, right. Yeah, I wrote hello, Abby Trash. Yo, here's the key. Go in first person. Yeah, I know you have to do that. But you have to... That's the only way you can get through it. Well, that's... Well. So, guys, I think we know who the winner is. I'm on page... No, not page. GG. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Bye. Say bye to them now. Bye. Bye, kiddos that watch my videos for some reason, even though I'm a kid.